for signing of the MOU with the CSR authority and other organizations. For this function, along with me, Mr. Chief Secretary, Mr. Puneet Kumar, Mr. Sanjay Goyal, Secretary for the CSR authority, Mr. Guru Raj, the advisor for the CSR authority, Director Planning and Statistics, Mr. Saxena, then Mr. Hanumantarappa, Director of the STEMCO ISRO, Mr. Amrish Chakravarti, Chairman of the CDMP IISc Bangalore, Sri Carlos Rodriguez, Assistant General Manager of SBI, Mr. P.R. Mane, Chief Manager of the Canara Bank, Mr. Anil Kumble, founder of the 10 Sports Education Private Limited, Sri D. Chandrasekhar, Managing Director of the Alpha Mills Limited, Sri Ramesh Kanod, Director of the Thyliol Infotech Private Limited, Mr. Amitwa Pal, Associate Dean of the Green Life Fitness, then Mr. Vishwanath, Assistant General Manager of the Karnataka Bank, Mr. Prasanna Pavaskar, the Chief Manager of the Karnataka Bank, Anushra Malviya, AGM of Union Bank of India, and Mr. Chandanlal Kumar, the Chief Manager of the Union Bank of India. I think first of all, I congratulate to all the organizations which joined today in signing the different MOU with the CSR authority, and also you are sharing the different programs like the ISRO is sharing the knowledge sharing partner with the government of Goa. First of all, I thank Mr. Hanumantrao Repa, the director, and his entire team for your help in future also. That will give our student is an innovative thinking in the scientific knowledge. So definitely of the Director of the Higher Education, Secretary of the Education, will take this forward in future. We'll see the more and more scientists also in the state of the Goa. The second agreement which we had signed with the IISc Bangalore, okay, which they are giving the training for all the senior staff, junior staff, the senior scale officers from the state of Goa. Already he had started the training in our Lekha Bhavan at a Porvorim. So definitely that will create the human resource which we require in future. The third agreement which we had signed with the 10 weeks, Mr. Anil Kumar, that will Anil Kumble, sorry, that with the 10 weeks, the organization of Mr. Anil Kumble, that will work for the different skilling of the different students in the sports category, that will promote the fit Goa, skilled Goa, and inclusive Goa. The fourth agreement which we have signed and already as a partner with the SBI, so definitely your help in future also is required, as you had help for the national games, also you had help for the Couple Fest. In future also this type of help is required. I think you will take the initiatives in training our students in the banking exam, especially with the help of the SLBC and banks like you, that will help in future to train the more and more students, to guide them to take forward the banking exam.
So thank you, Honorable CM. We met during the diabetes awareness a few years ago, sir, if you remember.
Yes.
Yes. So Dr. Gururaj and we met in Bangalore. 10 week was started about 14 years ago. Vasant Bharadwaj is the co-founder, and he was former national table tennis champion. So we started this to develop grassroots sports in India, and like Dr. Gururaj mentioned, we are in almost 23 sports. Cricket is one of them. We believe that other sports require a lot of support. Cricket, of course, is very popular, but and we've been, over the last 14 years, we have literally touched more than 2 lakh school children across India. And we were in about 125 schools pre-COVID, and now slowly all the schools are coming back. We have worked with various governments as well. Currently we are working with the government of Odisha by looking after their high performance center in weightlifting, We are currently also working in Government of Karnataka. Then we have previously worked with Government of Andhra Pradesh, State of Chhattisgarh, then Gujarat. So really looking forward to contributing to the Government of Goa under your able leadership, and really looking forward to working with your team to develop grassroots sports. We believe that if the school children at a very young age are introduced to sports in the right way, we will certainly find champions coming out from that. But more importantly, the lifestyle and sports becoming a part of their life is, I think, by introducing that at a very young age.
So Honorable CM felt that it is 3 wins, win, win, win. The third, the beneficiary until the end user was important. Keeping in this mind, as our CEO sir already welcomed and then explained the presence of the team over here, at the first level, I like to express our sincere thanks, for the Indian Institute of Science, Sir Amrish sir. So thanks for your being with us, and then you have been, very helping to our Goa state, and then we are initiating under the CSR authority. All of the team members' presence here may understand. One more point is that we also have what is called as learning and development curve.
It is really an exciting moment, and personally it's a privilege for me to be here in this very special occasion. Satellite is the one which provides connectivity to the places where other type of connectivity is not available, and particularly satellite can be leveraged to ensure a guaranteed bandwidth over certain areas. So when it comes to education, today's youth need the exposure, timely exposure to advanced technologies, so that they can learn the latest things and they can bring innovations, and they can contribute to the development of the state and development of the nation.